Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. Today we'll complete solving computer science paper 1, October-November 2023, variant 1. In the previous video, we solved the first 3 questions. Today we will complete the second 3 questions. You can find link in description. Number 4, data is transmitted between a computer and the printer. The data transmitted 1 bit at a time down a single wire, which is serial. The computer can transmit data to the printer, and the printer can transmit this to the computer using the same connection. He don't mention here is that simultaneously or not simultaneously. So it can be half duplex or full duplex. Circle two data transmission methods that will transmit data this way. So this will be serial full duplex or serial half duplex. We can mark this serial full duplex and serial half duplex. An odd parity check is used to detect errors in the data transmission. Explain how the odd parity check detects error. Okay, we count the number of ones in the first 7 bits and then add the 8th bit to make them an odd number. So we can say that number of ones in the 7th bit are counted, and the 8th bit will be setted to maintain the number of ones in an odd counts. On the other hand, on the other side, the destination will count number of ones in each byte, and if that count is odd, the data is correct. Otherwise, the error or an error detected. Okay, number C, another error detection method sends the data from the computer to the printer. Then a copy of the data received is sent back to the printer to the computer. The 2 sets of data are compared to see if they match. State the name of this type of error detection. This is an echo check. Echo check. That a copy will be sent back to the sender, and then the sender compare the 2 messages. Number 5, a musician is recording herself playing the music for a song on the piano. Explain how the analog sound is recorded and converted to digital. This wave will be sampled by using amplitude and fixed interval. So we can say that the analog sound signal signal is sampled by measure the amplitude during an or a fixed interval time and the number of samples each second will be the sample rate and the number of bits which represent each sample will be the sample resolution. Hence, each sample is converted to binary representation. Number B, state two ways that the accuracy of recording could be increased by increasing sample rate, which decrease the quantization error, or by increase the sample resolution, which by increasing the number of bits which represent each sample. Okay. The musician compresses the sound file using lossless compression instead of lossy compression. Explain why the musician would choose to use lossless compression instead of lossy compression. We can say that we use the lossless compression to be able to restore or to restore the original file when decompressed and that maintain the quality of the original file, whereas in the lossy compression, the quality will be decreased and the removed samples will be lost permanently. Okay. Number D, the musician types the words for the song into a document. The two character sets can be used when converting text to digital are the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ASCII, and Unicode. Explain the difference between the ASCII character set and the Unicode character set. ASCII could represent less English only or less fewer languages, whereas Unicode represent more languages. ASCII could use 7 bits or 8 bits for extended ASCII, but the Unicode will use 16 or 32 bits. So you can say that ASCII has limited characters, whereas Unicode has more characters. So ASCII code can represent fewer languages than the Unicode. Moreover, ASCII code use 7 bits or 8 bits for extended ASCII, whereas Unicode will use 16 or 32 bits. Which mean that ASCII has 128 or 256 characters, whereas Unicode has around 4 billion characters. Number 6, draw and annotate a diagram to demonstrate how a firewall works. Firewall will monitor and check the ingoing and the outgoing traffic of data. So you can draw this as a computer which sets the firewall rules. And here, this will be a firewall. This firewall will monitor and check the ingoing and outgoing traffic of data with the network. So this firewall check, monitor, and check the ingoing and outgoing traffic of data. And if the data doesn't match the rule. The traffic will be rejected. And that's it. Next video we'll complete solving the rest of the exam. Thanks for watching. See you next video.